Can you connect Xbox to two monitors? The answer is yes, and here's how to do it. First, you have to make sure that your monitors contains HDMI and DisplayPort. Now, once you have already done that, what you need to do is go ahead and put on the USB cable on the HDMI or the port that is needed that has been shown on the first slide of the video. And then afterwards, go to the monitor that you wanted to connect with your Xbox and then right click using your mouse and you will see there the display settings. And what you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on the display settings, as you can see, you will see there two displays or two monitors already because you have already successfully connected from the USB cable on the HDMI the other monitor. Now go ahead and select a display that you wanted to connect the Xbox with, and then afterwards click on the display and click on the extend displays or click on the duplicate displays.